Unbelievable facts about animals. Hyenas' laughter is not a sign of excitement or fear, but a defense mechanism when they are nervous. Dolphins spend half of their sleep with open eyes and half asleep. This allows them to react quickly in case of danger. Flamingos are not born pink. They get pink by eating foods with pink pigments. Gazelles can start running when they are born, and only a few hours later they can escape from predators with their mothers. Honeybees can use dance and vibrations to tell other honeybees where the nectar and pollen are. Stay tuned for more interesting animal facts.